NFTs, free NFTs, free NFTs. Watch until the end of the video to see how you can get yours now. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to this yet another edition of Study Crypto. Today, we're going to look at some charts and we're going to give some price predictions to see where is the market going. Are we out of the bear market or not? But first, before we go there, do us a big favor, hit the like button as well as the subscribe button and ding the notification bell as well. We really do appreciate it. It helps the YouTube algorithm get these videos out to people on a timely basis. Many of our content happens to be time sensitive. So please do us a favor, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button and notification bell. All right. And as always, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Crypto investing is risky. So please only risk what you can afford to lose. Now, with that out of the way, let's get into it. So right now we're on TradingView and we're looking at the total crypto market cap. Okay, this is the total crypto market cap as of right now. And as you see, we're at $1.9 trillion. And we have this downtrend. We have the red line representing the downtrend that we've been in since about early November. And as you see, the downtrend comes down. And as of, I guess, a couple of days ago, the 16th, about a week ago, the 16th of March, we've actually started to come above the downtrend. Okay, so we're breaking above the downtrend. This is a good sign. So we're no longer in the downtrend. And we also have 3 green candles. This candle is likely to close above. So it'll be a third green candle that we're getting, breaking through the downtrend. So we're breaking through the downtrend. Looks like we're going into an uptrend. So the key information here is that we have broken through the downtrend. We're no longer in that downtrend. And it looks like we kind of may have retested on the 18th. We broke through, and then on the 18th, we retested, and we kept on going up, which is good. We're getting 3 green candles, which is good news. Let's look at our moving averages. We spoke about exponential moving averages before. As a refresher, this is the 8 and the 21. The 8 is the green, the purple is the 21. When the 8, the green, crosses above the 21, that is a bullish sign. Okay, and so we have several days of a bullish sign. It's been crossed above since the 18th. Okay, and we have several candles closing above the 8, okay, which is also very bullish. All right, so overall, the crypto market cap is bullish. We have everything crossing above. So this is a bullish sign with the 8 EMA exponential moving average. What else? What other information can we pull out? So let's look at the MACD. Okay, the MACD is a moving average. Okay, we've actually crossed from this is the bearish side of the MACD. This is the bullish side. And the signal is the yellow line. The green line is the moving average. When the green line crosses above the signal, that's a bullish sign. So we've not only crossed above the signal, we're actually crossing into the bullish area, crossing above the signal across the midway point into the bullish area. So another bullish sign. So we have 3 bullish indicators going on for the total crypto market cap, which means it's likely we're coming out of a bear market. What else do we have here? Let's look at our pivot points. Pivot points are the points that are pre-programmed by bots to trade at. Pivot, the middle line is the pivot. And anything above here, if you're above the pivot, that's bullish. If you're below, it's bearish. The R1 is the resistance 1 is a likely sell area for bots. So the good news is we crossed above the pivot. So we're above the pivot. Yet again, another bullish sign. So what's that? Like 4 bullish signs that we're coming out of the bear market. Okay. Now, I'm not saying we're going to moon. No. This is just coming out of the bear market for the total crypto market cap. Okay, this is all crypto. All right, so what's likely to happen here, if we take a look, we have a resistance area like right here around 1.95 trillion. So we're likely to have a little resistance there. We're going to test that, might bounce down a little bit, and possibly go back up and hit R1, resistance 1, which is $2.03 trillion. Okay, but in any event, the point of this is that we are in bullish territory. We're moving in a bullish direction. We could also draw a Fib retracement. If we go from here all the way down, we look at our Fibonacci, okay? We haven't yet crossed the 50. The 50 would be a real confirmation that we are now in a bullish trend. Once we cross that 50 line, we'll be in a confirmed bullish rise. I mean, right now we are early bullish. We're not confirmed bullish, but it looks very possible we're headed in that direction. Okay, so that's with the total crypto market cap. If we wanted to look at the crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, this is it with excluding Bitcoin, because people say Bitcoin moves the entire market. Well, as you see here, we still have the same kind of bullish action. We see the same action with the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin. The green is crossing above the purple. That's bullish. We've broken the trend line, so we can draw the trend line here. We can draw it from here, let's say to here, okay? Something like that. We could draw it here. I mean, we wouldn't be there yet, or here. Depends on how you want to draw the trend line. This might be a little more closer to being accurate. This kind of trend line right here that gets more of the peaks. So if we do that again, we are still bullish. We're in a bullish scenario because we're breaking the trend line. We're also crossing above with the EMA. The EMA is looking bullish. What else we got? Do we have the fibs? No, we're looking at the pivot. We're above the pivot, also bullish. So again, multiple bullish signs. Again, we're on the daily chart. What else could we look at here? Let's look at the MACD. MACD again. We're breaking above into the bullish area, and we're crossing above the signal. We're green, so that's good. Okay, a lot of bullish convergence. We have a lot of bullish consensus here on multiple levels. If we wanted to even go a little crazier, we could look at the cloud, the Ichimoku cloud. I'm going to do a video on the cloud. I'll point to some resources. The cloud is not showing anything bullish as of right now. So we'll forget the cloud. It's not giving a bullish or a bearish. It's not giving any consensus at all. It's not giving any information definitive with the cloud. Let's look at the secondary cloud. And again, this too, it's an unconfirmed. There's nothing confirmed with the cloud. It's not confirmed bullish. It's not confirmed bearish within the cloud. So it's inconclusive information with the cloud. Again, I'll talk about exactly how to read the cloud in a later video. But in any event, the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin, is also looking very bullish. Let's look at some individual coins. Now, let's look at RUNE. It's a play I'm in right now. RUNE is, again, that's been looking bullish. As you see, the EMA we're green. We're a go there. What else do we have going? We're testing the 68 on the Fib. Okay, this is a take profit zone. Take a little profit here, but overall, this is looking good with the RUNE. If we look again, also, if we take a look at the pivots, it's well above the pivots. It's well into the bullish area, so that's awesome. Okay, so that's also an extremely bullish sign for RUNE. If we look at the RSI, it is overbought. It's coming back down. The little correction here. So we are in overbought territory with the RSI. If the blue line is up here, that's overbought. If it's down here, I mean it's oversold. Overbought, oversold. So it is having a little bit of a correction, but the momentum is on its side. If we look at the cloud, let's take a look at the cloud and see what the cloud is going to tell us. The cloud is inconclusive. Just as a reminder real quick, how you know if you have a confirmed move with the cloud. Let's get rid of the Fib to make this a little more clear. The confirmed move with the cloud is if this was a green cloud here, that's part one. You need 4 parts. You need a confirmed green cloud here. You also need price to be above the cloud, which it is not. The price is not above the cloud, so that's a negative. You also would need the blue line to be above the red, okay, which we do have that. So that is a check mark, yes. And you also need the lagging line to be above price, which that is. So we have 3 out of 4 for the cloud, but you need 4 out of 4 for the cloud for a confirmed signal, and we don't have that. So the cloud is inconclusive in this scenario. But in any event, we do have a lot of other bullish indicators for RUNE. RUNE is a good scenario right here. Let's look at Luna. Luna is still going well. Luna is still on this uptrend. It's broke its downtrend. The green is above the purple, meaning the 8 EMA is above the 21 EMA. What else do we have? Where are we at with the pivots? Perfect. We're testing the resistance line right here. We're above the pivot, so mean we're in a bullish area with Luna. That's awesome. What else do we have going on with Luna? We have, let's look at the cloud for Luna. So if we look at the cloud number 1, this is a beautiful cloud. So we have all the check marks. We have everything we need right here. So if we, let me get my drawing tool. Here we go. So we have a green check mark because the last cloud is green. That's a check. Price is above. So let's get rid of the EMA. So the blue line is above the red, so that's a check. What else? Let's look at price. Price is above the cloud. That's a check. And finally, the lagging line is above price. So we have 4 check marks on Luna with the Ichimoku cloud, which tends to be a lagging indicator, which means that it's usually late to the party in terms of giving you a buy signal. And the Ichimoku cloud buy signal is historically, it's pretty much never wrong. It gives you a very conservative buy, which means you're not going to get to something that's going to suddenly turn into a falling knife. So Luna has these amazing buy signals. It's a buy, buy, buy on the Ichimoku cloud. So this is a good one to be in right now. If you're not in it, if you're a good re-entry point might be right around here, around $90. If you wanted to get in it, if you feel like you're late on the Luna boat, might be right around $90. If you have some patience, I would try to get in at $78. That's between 75 and 78. That would be that's a little resistance area there. But nevertheless, support area there. But nevertheless, Luna is moving. Luna and the the news behind Luna, it's doing extraordinarily well. They just Do Kwon just purchased a bunch of Bitcoin, so it's looking very good. So where could Luna go from here? Well, it's definitely going to at least hit, based upon this, we're likely to at least get to 105 with Luna. Okay, in the 105 range. In the next, I would say, week or two, we could see 105 pretty effortlessly with this trajectory, especially since we're coming out of a bear market. So we could definitely see a 105 mark for Luna. Okay, in terms of a price target for RUNE, we're right here. This would be the next target area at $10. Okay, $10 between $10 and $11. That would be the next price target for RUNE. And RUNE can easily run all the way up to its previous high. After that, it would be in this area, it would be $16. That would be the next price target for RUNE. Okay, that'd be the next price target. If we're talking about Bitcoin, let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has inconclusive information when you're looking at the cloud. So there's nothing to see there on the cloud because we have a red cloud, but we do have the blue crossing over the red. right? So those two negate each other, so no need to even look here anymore at the cloud for information regarding Bitcoin by itself. However, we have broken the downtrend, and we are, however, with Bitcoin, we are in this channel. Okay, we do have a channel here with Bitcoin. If we bring up our support lines, okay, the yellow lines are support and resistance lines. With Bitcoin, we need to break through 44, for like 40, 44,500 or so. But once we get through that, we can achieve maybe 48. But right now, we're channeling with Bitcoin. It's just channeling between this 44 area and this 37 area. It's just going back and forth. So even though the market seems to be breaking out of a bear market, Bitcoin itself seems to be just channeling. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind. Lastly, we'll take a quick look at Luna. I'm sorry, Fantom. Fantom is just dumping. So I would steer clear of Fantom right now. It is still in a bear market, has the downtrend with this trajectory, and it is barely breaking this downtrend trajectory. That's two downtrend trajectories that Fantom has to break before it has any chance of having a breakout to the upside. If we bring up the EMA, the green is underneath the purple. The first time we've seen that today, which again, this is a bearish move. When the green is below the purple, that's bearish. When the green is above the purple, that's bullish. So for Fantom right there, what else do we need to see? I've seen enough to come to that conclusion, but we're also, look at the pivot. Look how far below the pivot. Here's the pivot line, and we're down at S1, bouncing between S1 and S2. Again, it's having trouble getting even back to the pivot. Again, that's another sign of bearishness with Fantom. So just through that and the trend, I don't even need to look any further to see all the bearish activity with Fantom. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. In terms of a price prediction for Fantom, it's channeling right here. It could go back down to $1.03 pretty easy. That's a point of support. That's the next point of support in its downtrend. And if it could survive that 103, 104, it might have a potential to participate with the rest of the market in a bullish reversal. But that's pretty much it with Fantom. So that's where we're at, guys. Let me know what you think. Write your comments. Let me know, what you think about the price predictions, the analysis, the coins. Do us a big favor if you found value in this. Hit that like button, as well as the subscribe button, and ding that notification bell as well. All right, guys. Talk to you soon. Free NFTs. Free NFTs. Free NFTs. Free NFTs. We're giving away free NFTs to all our loyal viewers on the Polygon chain. Just click the link in the description and your NFT will be on its way. Get yours before they're gone. Hey guys, thanks so much again for viewing our wonderful video, and please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button if you found value in this, and please ding the notification bell as well. Thanks so much. See you next time.